I did not pay her anything. Natuwa lang talaga ako kasi addict din kaming dalawa sa bag. Parang ganon. So parang ganon nag-start lang. Kasi ako po yung type ng tao, napansin niyo hindi talaga ako namimilit na gamitin niyo yung produkto ko. Kaya talagang bago muna nila i-endorse, gusto ko na gamitin mo kasi mas totoo eh. Mas makikita ng tao yung sincerity at totoong ginagamit mo siya. So ganoon, parang getting to know lang kasi sabi ko, Ading, I'm a fan na sobrang overwhelming kasi grabe yung schedule niya. Pumunta po siya dito sa Pampanga. Tapos natuwa kami. Tapos sabi ko, di naman madamot tong batang to. Nakailang ako pa yung nauumay. Tama na, nakakahiya. I'm a very private person. Wow, private. Di ba sinasabi ko, hindi man, gawin mo to, ganyan-ganyan. Na hindi siya madamot, nang super post siya about me na, aba, parang ngayon lang ako literal na nakilala. I only had 200,000 followers on Facebook. Nadagdagan ako ng 15,000 agad. Yes, parang very effective siya na endorser for me talaga. At sabi mo nagsabi, Manang, even my cousins are using the zero, ay the June, gumaganon sila yung mga binigay mo mga sabon-sabon nga eh. Yan na lang yung gagamitin ko, sabi ko. Sige, when you get back. Ayan, tapos nagkatotoo na nga. Pero nauna talaga kaming naging friends online. Yun.
Follow up po kay Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am Geraldine, how come you are not just endorsing but using the products of Beauty Derm?
Because kasi noon, what do you call this one? I really had a very not a very nice skin, diba? Tapos so my cousins actually has started it. Like I didn't even know until one of my cousins because he's got a very bad acne and then he started using it, and so I said maybe I'm gonna try it out too because I really had a very dry skin and it's a combination of dry and oily skin. So I was like, maybe I'm gonna try it out. So I tried it out and then I didn't even know that it's Ate Reyes. So and then we came here in April and then she was like gusto niyang pumunta sa meet and greet, tapos sabi ko gano'n, hindi kita maaasikaso.
Yes! Sabi niya, sigurado ka Manang, maraming tao sa market. Hindi mo store naman ako dun. Hindi lang ako, bakit? Sabi niya sa mga staff, sigurado ka, hindi ka naman nag-a-attend ng mga fan meet. Hindi nga, gusto ko nga. Gusto ko makilala si Ading. Sabi niya, no, I'll go there. Promise? Ganon. Tapos pumunta siya, 8 a.m. Katutulog ko pa lang noon. Dumating siya talaga nakaganon yung mata ko. Para lang makilala siya. Pero dahil nag-enjoy kami, na late na siya sa next appointment niya, alauna na siya umalis. Diba? Ganon na agad yung bonding namin ni Ading ko. And then, sabi nga namin, dami nagko-comment sa skin niya. Mas maganda yung skin niya pag walang makeup. Sobrang dewy. Nagko-comment na, uy, ang ganda. Di ba bare face siya pag nagpo-post siya, sabi natin, i-reveal natin soon kung bakit Korean ang skin mo. At ba't hindi ka nagme-makeup pag nagpo-post ka ng mga materials mo online.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming salamat, sir. Next question, dire-diretso tayo from Miss Rose Garcia.
Ayan, hello, Miss Geraldine. Yeah. How do you feel na, ayun nga, endorser ka na after nung first time nyo palang nagkita ni Miss Ray, kumbaga, na-expect mo ba to, itong mga nangyayari ngayon? And follow up ko na rin, anong comment nila, Joss? Joss, your husband, dito sa mga magagandang opportunity na nangyayari sa inyo?
Like me personally, I'm very, very happy. And then actually, Josh doesn't even know na pupunta kami dito. Sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-story ako kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, what are you doing photo shoot? Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, doing something. Sabi ko gano'n, just stay tuned. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, ayun guys, sabi niya, bakit wala kami? Well, I wanted to. Kasi gusto niyang mag-drive from Ifugao hanggang here. Tapos gusto niyang makita yung face daw niya sa NLEX. Sabi ko, Kaya pero he's very, very happy. Even Nemo, I was telling Nemo about it, but he kind of doesn't know what's going on, but he knows, he's got he's got a very little idea on what's going on.
And having your first billboard, how do you feel?
Very excited kasi nga dream ko nga nung bata ako, diba? Hindi ko naman alam na ganun pala yung feeling, no, na gano'n yung nangyayari. Talaga hindi ka makapaniwala. Yung nanay ko nga umiiyak eh. Kasi super proud siya sa nangyayari sa akin. If if my grandma was here, because it's my grandma who raised me up and my grandfather, like she would have been happy. She would have like. I remember when we started to go like viral online. We had our first TV interview, and then she was still alive. I was in Australia at that time, and then she was still here, right? So she was in front of the TV. Like I had a video from my cousin, and they sent it to me, and then she was like crying there kahit hindi niya naririnig kasi she was like, you know, she was deaf. But then umiiyak siya. So ngayon, like I can see na she would have been so happy. Kaya, you know, anyway, I know. I'm trying. But anyway, I'm just very happy. I know like she's watching us from there anyway, so.
Okay, congrats. Siyempre kami, nagpo-follow talaga kami sa mga content nyo ever seen. So, doon sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar, ano sa tingin mo yung naging secret ng The Blackman family na naging ganito kayo ka-successful as a content creator?
I think you just gotta be yourself. Like wag kang maglagay ng content na, you know, kasi for example, maglagay ka ng content na ganito hindi relatable sa'yo, like the next few days or next few weeks that you're gonna be making content, it's not consistent anymore. Like you would be having different contents na ganito, ganyan. But then if you're consistent of what you do, like I think people will start liking you. Like we started with nothing anyway. Like we didn't have any followers. Like, cause me, pinag-aralan, like you know, makikita mo naman yan, mapag-aaralan mo siya. For example, cause Josh and I started with like you marrying a Filipina. Tapos yung audience namin noon is like mainly Philippines lang. Tapos hindi na yung ibang mga videos namin hindi nagva-viral. Tapos ngayon kapag same yung contents na ginagawa mo, it's all about like family and then like, you know, about marriage. Then I think like kapag consistent yun, I think you're gonna grow because people would know. Like hindi ko alam na like, you know, I used to like not even like, you know, na sinasabi ko yung name ko sa sa social media, like, you know, it's just a wife, like, you know, what do you call this one, like, dinidescribe ko lang yung sarili ko, like, I'm a wife and Josh is the husband. Pero minsan sa mga videos, tinatawag akong Geraldine ni Josh, tinatawag ko din siya Josh. Tapos makikita mapapansin ng mga tao talaga kapag they start to love you, talagang alam na nila yung every details, kaya kayong nung nagpa-suspense effect kayo na bakit curly yung hair, tapos ako agad-agad yung kaya, tapos marami rin nagtatanong kasi kapag lumalabas kami, like people would, like, you know, what are you doing next? Ganito, ganyan, abangan.
Last na, syempre, sa Australia ka naka-base. So as we all know, maraming mga products, skincare product, maraming mga talagang branded na mga skincare. So, ano yung naging effect, ano yung naging difference sa'yo para ma-convince ka na itong serum ng Beauty Derm is one of the best? Or
So I think people started noticing my skin after maybe like few months ago nung naglalagay ako ng mga beauty products ganyan. Pero tapos marami ring nag-o-offer na ganyan. Nung nakita nila yung face ko, marami nang nag-o-offer. Actually before I talked to Ate Rhea, like a huge brand here in the Philippines offered me the same thing, and I was like kasi nga may pinagsawahan na kami na Ate Rhea, like I really like it because we're Ilocanos, and then we're like kind of like, you know, sobrang nagulit kami. Kaya sabi ko, I'm gonna go with Ate Rhea, like she's so nice din kasi. Kaya but you know, there have been a lot of like offers from Australia as well. It's not like Filipino brands, like, you know, doing skincare, but I did, because I wasn't ready at that time. Like I don't know what am I gonna do. I don't know what like, you know, what am I gonna portray online. So, that's why hindi pa ako nagsasay yes. Right, totoo yun.
Diba, bongga, ang daming mga international offers, pero Beauty Derm ang talagang nasa puso ni Miss Geraldine. Pero Rose, maraming salamat. Susunod na magtatanong si Sir Glenn naman. Sir Glenn.
Thank you, Jai. And good afternoon. Congratulations, Miss Geraldine. Yes. My question is, what are the best things that you discovered about Ma'am Ray aside dun sa mga sinabi mo na?
Like personally?
Yes.
I think it's the genuine friendship. It's like no plastic and
Pinagpapawisan ako dito.
Pinagpawisan si Darna!
Ay na ako. Hindi yan. Diba? ba?
Pero totoo yun. Like,
Oo.
nung una namin, sabi nga niya, never siyang nag-grill sa mga, sa mga...
Oo, kasi tinatanong din niya yung TikTok ko. Sabi ko, naku, hindi ako yun. Yung mga staff ko. Hindi ko alam mga password ng mga ko eh. Tapos pinag-acting niya ako. Diyos ko, gusto ko na
Nag-acting siya
mag-collapse.
agad eh. Tapos natasha ako doon, tapos hindi pa siya like, she has shown me the real friendship. Like, I've met a lot of people already, like, in this, like, in this kind of, like, of what I do. I've met people, like, in Australia. And then we were going to, like, a few countries doing, like, some contents as well. Like, so I've met, like, few people, like, different people, like, different culture, different ugali, different tradition. And, like, 1 hour pa, ay mo na 15 minutes pa lang na friends na talaga. Tapos, like, she really kept in contact with me, like, me too, like, like, akala ko mag-jowa na kami kasi texted.
Oo, nagre-report siya.
Sabi niya, Bebe, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Okay ka lang, tulog ka na ba?
Kasi biglang nung pauwi din sila, Manang, nandito na kami sa air. Manang, palipad na kami. Nag-update siya, Manang, nasa mahina yung wifi. Ay, mag-jowa. Tapos biglang, alam mo yung schedule niya, dito na kami sa Iloilo. Pumunta na kami ng Isabela. So, may press con ako. Sabi niya, alam na alam eh. Ganun na kami ka-clingy sa isa't isa. Tapos pati mga personal na buhay namin, nagkikwentuhan na kami. Talagang nakahanap talaga ako ng adding ko sa kanya because my sister is 40 years old eh. So parang magkasunod lang kami ng adding ko. Eh siya talaga 30, parang anak-anakan ko na. Kaya yun, kaya nag-click kami lahat. Kaya nga kagabi, kung pwede lang, ayaw na namin mag-rest. Kasi talagang wala kaming pahinga. Kasi nga uuwi na naman siya, chika kami ng chika. Ang saya-saya lang namin. Hindi natapos yung pictorial niya sa kadaldalan ko.
Ay, totoo yan.
Kaya pinapaalis ako ni na Mang Mai. Ayun. Wala lang.
Kaya yun, like, I think it's like, mainly it's like the genuine friendship. Kaya, yun ang like number 1.
And then we keep on sharing na parehas tayo yung love for our family.
Oh, yeah.
Ay sinasabi ng pagtulong, nag-uumpisa dapat sa pamilya mo, sa kumpanya mo, at kasama niya ang kanyang pinsan. Di ba, ang binibigyan niya ng trabaho ang kanyang mga pinsan, ang binibigyan niya ng pinag-i-stay sa magandang hotel, mga auntie niya. So nakikita ko yung
Because they've never
pagmamahal.
experienced it before. Like, this is the only time that I've experienced this kind of life that I'm having right now. So because my mom was overseas working since I was 2 years old. It was my grandma and my grandfather and my aunties and my uncles who were the one who raised me. Like now that I'm here, why will I not let them experience what I'm having right now? Kaya nung umuwi kami nung April, lahat talaga sila, lahat sa pictorial, mga photos, mga magazine, sama-sama sila lahat. 8 kami, baka mamaya 10 pa kami. Nung pumunta kami sa kanya, ang dami-dami namin. Tapos, ang daming nagtatanong na bakit sa mga kasi linalagay ko sa mga videos pa na nakasama ko sila, bakit ko sila laging kasama na ganito